Hello guys. So in the series of previous year question series, I have come up with another topic, board mass. So every year almost one questions come in both paper 1 and paper 2 of CTET exam, and this we are seeing almost since 2 to 3 years. So this is one of the important topic coming for the next year questions. Let's say, so the board mass rule is, as we are learning since almost 7th class of our classes. So let's see word mass. So word mass, in that each term is having its own explanation. The V stands for vinoculum. Vinoculum is nothing but a bar. This symbol on a number, if I keep like 3 divided by 5, and if I keep the bar, then that will be called as a vinoculum. What does it mean is, if I put vinoculum or bar, this has to be calculated at the first. Then bracket. B stands for bracket. And there are 3 brackets: the small bracket, curly bracket, and then square bracket. So the sequence goes with this also, that first the parenthesis has to be solved, the small bracket has to be solved, then the curly bracket, and then the square bracket. Then O. O stands for off. In simple, the O means off means multiplication only. O means off and off means multiplication. Then next is D. D stands for division. M stands for multiplication. So say that, so here O also means multiplication and M also means multiplication, but the first O has to be before anything to be calculated, after B, and next you have to be complete, you have to calculate O only and not M. Then A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. So the thing is, so the order of these two can be interchanged, like I can do addition first and subtraction later on, or else subtraction first and addition later on. Both can be interchanged. And here the order, as I already told, this is order number 1, this is order number 2, and this is order number 3. In that means this has to be solved first, then next this has to be solved, and then square bracket has to be solved. So before moving on to the previous year important questions, let's do a question, a general question which involves all the symbols, so that we can have a brief understanding of all the calculation part of board mass. So the question is 25 minus square bracket 20 minus curly bracket 10 minus parenthesis 7 minus 5 minus 3 bar close parenthesis close curly bracket close square bracket. So the here goes 25 minus, before the first thing we have to do is vinoculum solving. So 20 minus 10 minus 7 minus, so this 5 minus 3 bar will be giving us as minus 2. Then this parenthesis closing bracket is this one, then curly one, and then big bracket. Then 25 minus 20 minus curly bracket 10, then solving the small bracket, 7 minus 2 5, curly bracket big bracket, 25 minus 20 minus, then solving the curly bracket, 10 minus 5 5, and then curly bracket is solved and it is gone, putting the big bracket. Then 25 minus 20 minus 5, nothing but 15, and then 25 minus 15 is nothing but 10. So nothing but the sequence of, we understood with this question, we understood the sequence of big brackets and wider column we understood. Now let's see the previous year questions. So guys, here I am with another question which has come in July 19. So let's see what is the solution for that. So before that, what I will say is the question contains many number of parentheses, many number of small brackets you can see. So that makes the question look like very complex. So here the examiner wants to make you feel like very comfortable only when you are thorough with all the concepts. So let's see how it has been done. So this is a big bracket, this is a big bracket, this is a big bracket. In that it is containing division and only one division. Here it is containing only one multiplication. Here it is containing only one division. So start solving this. Solving this big bracket, what we will get? Minus 4 divided by 2, we will get minus 2 into, this is minus 3, minus of minus 3. We cannot minus it as of now only because there is a big bracket and that is not with a symbol, so that means it is in multiplication. So first solve that. Then minus 3 into minus 7, 7 3s are 21, and minus minus plus, minus 8 plus 4 into, this is minus 48 divided by 6, nothing but minus 8. Then minus 2 into minus 3 is nothing but 6. Okay, minus of minus 3, this is into, if there is no symbol it means into, and so it is into. 21 minus 8 is nothing but 13. Fine. Then plus 4 into minus 8 is nothing but minus 32. Then 6. Then minus 3 into 13 minus 39. Minus plus minus minus 32. Here comes then 6 minus plus 39 minus 32. 39 minus 32 is nothing but 7. 6 plus 7 is nothing but 13. Option 3. Okay. So this is another question which has come in December 19. So let's see. So the thing is, in this this number is containing decimal. This also containing decimal. So the probable answer one can think is what? 52.5. Because it is containing decimal, the decimal containing answer option will be correct. But that is not correct. Why? Let's see. 17.5 into 3 minus, see, this is the BODMAS rule. According to BODMAS rule, the division gets the first priority. So for solving this, 21 divided by 7 is nothing but 3 minus 3 into 12.5. Then if you see, here there is 3, here there is 3, and in this also there is 3. Taking 3 common, 17.5 minus, if 3 is taken common, what is remaining? 17.5. If in this, if 3 is common taken, then what is remaining? 1, because I can write as 3 into 1, minus, again 3 is taken common, 12.5. So 3 times 17.5 minus 12.5. 0.5 gone from both because there is minus. Then 17 minus 12, 5. 5 minus 1, 4. So 3 4 ja. Option, correct option is 2. Answer 12. Okay. So this is another question which has come in December 19. So let's see. 6 2 by 3. So these all is containing mixed fractions. So let's simultaneously convert them in simple fraction, and as well as we'll continue with the BODMAS rule also. So 6 3 is 18 plus 2, 20 by 3 divided by 2 to the 4 1, 5 by 2. So here only I am doing one more correction, that instead of dividing by 5 by 2, I can write this as what? Into 2 by 5. It was 5 by 2 in division, in multiplication will become 2 by 5. And then into 4 3 are 12 plus 3, 15 by 4. Then minus. Then 5 2 is 1 plus 11 by 2. 5 2 is 10 plus 1, 11 by 2. Into 4 4 is 16 plus 1, 17 by 4. Plus 3 1 is 3 plus 2, 5 by 3, and here in bracket 7 by 8. Here 3 and 3 will cancel. What will remain is nothing but plus 2 by 4. Then if you see here, all are in multiplication, as well as 5 and 3 into will become what? 5 3 is a 15. 5 into 3 15, and numerator 15, both will cancel. Then 2 2 is a 2 10 ja. So what is remaining? 10. So overall this what is remaining? 10 minus 11 by 2 into 17 by 4 plus 5 by 3 into this all bracket I will solve separate in a while. 7 by 8 plus 2 by 4. This 2 by 4 I can write as what? Into 2 by 2, nothing but 4 by 8 I can write. Then these are the what? Like fractions. I can simply add the fractions into 7 plus 4, 11 by 8. Then 10 minus, if you see here, this 8 I can write as 4 into 2. So here there is 11 by 2, here there is 11 by 2. Taking 11 by 2 common, minus 11 by 2 common. So what will remain? 17 by 4 here. In this 2, minus 11 by 2 taken common, 17 by 4 is remaining, and here minus is taken out. So I can write this as what? Minus into minus. So what will be minus 5 by 3 into this 11 by 2 is taken common. What is remaining? Nothing but 1 by 4. So 10 minus 11 by 2 into 17 by 4 minus 5 by 12. So what will remain here? 10 minus 11 by 2 into 17 by 4 minus 5 by 12. So what will remain? LCM will be 12, and then 4 3s are 12. So 17 3s are 51 minus 12 into 1. So 5 into 1. Then equal to 10 minus 11 by 2 into this 51 minus 12 1 ja 12, so 5 1 ja 5. So 51 minus 5 is nothing but 46 by 12. Cancelling this 2, 2 2 ja 2 3 ja 23. Now taking LCM again, LCM will be 12 because denominator is remaining only 12 here. So LCM 12. 12 10 ja 120 minus 120 minus what will be here? 11 into 23, nothing but 3 253. So what is there is nothing but 120 minus 253 by 12. So what is remaining? 3 minus 0 3, 5 minus 2 3, 2 minus 1 1, and that 2 minus because we are subtracting more number from less number. Minus 133 by 12. On conversion into mixed fraction, what you will get is dividing 133 by 12. 12 1 ja 12. 12 1 ja 12. So what is nothing but 11, and since it is negative, minus 11 1 by 12 is the correct answer.